Welcome back, you guys. Sean and Alice here.
Bay Real experts.
Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida. And today, we're gonna give you another update on Emerald Cove. This is a D.R. Horton subdivision that is just popping up. If you wanna see the last update we did, check out this video here. But without further ado, let's take a tour. Go ahead, Alice, tell us a little bit about this subdivision and what's happening here.
Well, right close by the Hathaway is actually on, you're probably gonna be able to point it out when you go up, is off to my right. So Emerald Cove Villas, there are 113 platted homes here in this subdivision. 25 already sold, currently 4 under contract, and there's 10 listed for sale in the MLS. But you know, there's more to come. The price points are...
Let me interrupt you real
Okay.
quick. Alice, you mentioned Hathaway Townhomes.
Yes.
And right now it is about the upper right-hand side of the screen there.
Well, because that way they're still out looking at places they can swing back by. Well, I don't know when it's coming back on.
And here we're looking at one of the cul-de-sacs here in this subdivision where it will be built out eventually.
Isn't that what the mailbox is?
I do believe so. And that area there, actually, no, I think that it's actually this cul-de-sac. I'm
Right
gonna
on.
I'm gonna get further away so we can tell you guys for sure. No, I think you were right, Alice. Yep, you were. That mailbox area in this cul-de-sac over here, I'm gonna sweep back over to it. So the builder has no plans to put in a pool at this point, but they have left this space for the homeowners. In center of the screen there, there's the parking spaces for if you want to go to the mailboxes there, or if you want to go, maybe the homeowners will decide to put in a pool at some point. All right, darling, I'm sorry I hijacked your research there. Why don't you go ahead and share the rest of it with us?
Well, I was gonna say that the price point here for currently the property for sales, the properties for sale, the lowest price point will be the Lamar, which is a 3-2. I love that floor plan. They are listed for sale for $312,000. And they have 1706 square feet. The highest price point will be the Azalea for $357, and is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath with 2,496 square feet.
And in the upper left-hand side of the screen right now, you can see how close this location is to the Hathaway Bridge. So if you work in town or at the Air Force Base at Tyndall, you're going to have direct access to Highway 98. And then, of course, also, you can take Wildwood to where it will cross at that intersection of Front Beach Road and Back Beach Road, and where Wildwood turns into Tom's Drive to go to the Navy base. It's about 5 minutes from here. I did find out that the coveted Kennedy, there is one left that is to be built in here, will be priced at $337. Thank you, Sharon, for that information that I just got from her. And after that, the Kennedy will then have a 5th bedroom. But if you wanted that super slick layout that comes with, well, are we saying mother-in-law suite anymore? It's got a separate lockout. I do believe that the covenants and restrictions currently would allow you to do short-term rentals here if you needed that. But you know what? Why not rent out that half side to somebody long-term and have them chip in on your mortgage?
That's awesome.
You could live in the main part of the house, and the other side has its own kitchen, laundry.
1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, kitchen, laundry, open floor plan living space for the living area and the kitchen.
Right on. So off in the distance there, you're seeing the beach, Panama City Beach, and in the middle to right side of the screen, that also is Hathaway Townhomes. But back to Emerald Cove here. We're gonna show you one last bit of the whole subdivision.
There's still a lot of opportunity here, but they are going fast. So if you would like to be in Panama City Beach on a brand new home, please contact us. We will hook you up.
Yes, and if you guys check the date on this video, obviously there's not a lot of homes the subdivision is not fully built out yet. So
Right.
if you're watching this in a few years from now and you're being PCS somewhere else, or maybe you just want to sell and move to another location, we would love to help you with that as well, you guys. We love making these drone videos. We love covering Panama City Beach. Please leave a comment down below if you have another subdivision you would like an aerial tour over. But of course, you guys, how we pay the bills is by selling real estate. So if you know anyone that would like to buy or sell in the Bay County area, we would love to help you.
Sean and Alice, Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Realty.
And I'm gonna fly the drone in to say goodbye. Currently, I'm having trouble seeing. Hey, there we go.
What is it, that big bird? Oh, you are.
The motion on the video gets less smooth if I take my eyes off the screen here, but I hope that didn't make you guys sick. Yes, we're hiding in the shade here. Let's step out in the sun and say goodbye. Thanks you guys for watching. We hope this information was valuable to you and hope we had fun flying over Panama City Beach, specifically, where are we at?
Emerald Cove Villas.
Built by D.R. Horton. Again, you guys, please give us a like, a subscribe, and leave a comment below. And why not give us a call? You know you're into real estate. Chances are 1 in 20 people that watch this are looking to either buy or sell something, so why not give us a call? We'll talk to you guys next time.
Our contact information is below. Feel free to share the video too.
Right on. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.